Welcome to Lucky Wheels. A reckless driver speeding down the road crashed into other vehicles, causing a chain reaction accident. The moment came when a truck carrying bulky goods was hit by a train. The dangers of carelessness behind the wheel are evident. Join us to witness incredible moments on the road and learn valuable lessons in driving. Let's get it on. People, this is the consequence of running a red light. Do not imitate this. No, man, what are you doing? Oops, maintaining a safe distance can prevent chain reactions. Having enough space allows you to stop gradually. Wow, how lucky are they?
Surprise, motherfucker!
Be extra cautious when approaching railroad crossings. If you're driving a large vehicle carrying oversized loads. A scary lorry incident on a Malaysian highway emphasizes the need for cautious driving.
Whether or not, something. Oh my God!
Oh, he destroyed a gas station in a crash. It's terrible.
Whether or not, something. Oh my God!
Luckily, the driver escaped. Don't park your car on the railroad tracks, my friend. Drivers, please drive with care, even though you are in a rush for time. Bro, stop making people uncomfortable in that way. Oh, that's a very big storm. Be careful. It seems like he lost his brakes. I hope the driver is okay. Be mindful of oversteering everyone. The driver is safe.
Behind me is all over the road. Whoa, fuck!
Oh dear, what was wrong with him? Hope the driver is safe.
Whoa, fuck!
Don't risk being the train. Everyone, do not imitate this. Wow, that is so scary. Thankfully, there were no injuries. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Is this a wheel issue? It caused him to lose balance.
Thinking long term.
Holy shit. Hold up. Wow, oh crap. Hold up. Holy shit. Truck
Where did that
flipped over
explosion
and it's
come
on
from?
fire.
I hope someone called the fire department right
Yeah,
away.
I got it.
Oh no, I will not pass a car like that. Because of the late deciders. This was truly an unexpected incident. Fortunately, he managed to stop in time. Looks at least nobody got hurt in this case.
And you know, I thought it would go up higher in like Weaver.
You would have seen a big red trail. Don't try to beat it, mate.
911 call.
No, I thought it would go up higher in like Weaver.
This is a similar case. Never run a red light. Everyone. What a mess. Hope everyone is fine. Oh my God, he crashed into a police car. Oh no, how could this happen? Hey! Don't ever rush through an intersection. It's very dangerous. You know. Oh my, don't try to beat the red light man. I hope everyone is okay. At the same location, another red light running accident occurred. Hopefully, that driver is okay. What the? Never cut off other drivers or force your way into the lane, bro. Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.